There it goes. It came back out. Sweet.
Welcome to Space News from the Electric Universe,
See, I'm
brought to you
bright-
by the
I'm bright-
Thunderbolts
I'm bright-
Project at thunderbolts.info. The unchanging reality of our universe presents a growing crisis for space scientists. In over 250 episodes of this series, we have reported on discoveries that in effect falsify countless tenets of standard cosmology at every scale throughout the cosmos. In our own celestial neighborhood, the consensus story of our solar system's genesis, based on the more than 2.5 centuries old nebular hypothesis, has been falsified. Astronomers investigating
Check that
baffling
fucking
exoplanetary
cloud, man.
systems freely admit that the standard story of planet formation has, quote, led to no success in predicting what is out there. Yet the official story remains that our solar system formed 4.5 billion years ago from a gravitationally collapsing cloud of gas and dust. This conjecture includes the story of comet origins. We have been told for well over half a century that comets are blobs of ice and dust formed in the, quote, Siberia of the solar system from the leftover building blocks of planets. We are told that comets that enter our region of the solar system come from two major areas. The Kuiper Belt, a, quote, circumstellar disk extending from Neptune's orbit to about 4.5 billion miles from the sun, and the Oort cloud, a hypothetical shell of icy bodies at the remotest reaches of our solar system. Of course, the Oort cloud has never been imaged and remains conjecture, yet scientific literature routinely presents its existence as settled science. Recent scientific reports describe observations of comets that are believed to have been, quote, gravitationally kicked out of the hypothetical Oort cloud. The first, Comet 2017 K2, is the most distant comet ever seen from Earth to become active, at an extraordinary 1.5 billion miles from the Sun, or 16 astronomical units. Since comet water ice ceases to sublimate at just 3 astronomical units, scientists can only propose that the comet must be covered with pristine hypervolatiles, which might sublimate at